On 7th of January, an executive meeting was conducted at Dokmoka Police Station on various social issues with special reference to early child marriage as per the direction of the state government. The government of Assam directed all the VDP committees across the district of Karbi Anglong to conduct an executive meeting on early child marriage. Likewise, VDP committees falling under the jurisdiction of Dokmoka Police Station conducted an executive meeting at Dokmoka Police Station on 7 January. It was reported that a survey need to be launched to collect all the data with cases related to early child marriage within the last 10 years from today, as the data of unregistered and registered marriage cases of boys and girls below 18 years of age at the hospital and within the municipality must be reported to the government. Government scheme had been launched to assist the victims of early child marriage within the district. Hence, to find out an accurate data of the numbers of boys and girls with early child marriage was required. Therefore, an executive meeting for VDP committees falling under the jurisdiction of Dokmoka Police Station was conducted at Dokmoka Police Station by Assam Police. Mudhoy, officer in charge of Dokmoka Police Station, Nirmal Bora, president of VDP, and several dignitaries of the region attended the meeting. As many as 50 people attended the meeting. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.